Welcome back. Daniel Parsons here. Today is the 23rd of July, 2026. I am a Price International independent business owner located in Washington State, United States of America since January of 2022. I want to give you some updates about the new technology that is on the way to the United States of America. If you live in another part of the world, and we have thousands and thousands of team members, I personally enrolled hundreds of people around the world on all the continents except for Antarctica. And when a scientist finds out he needs this new iTeraCare, we're going to land on all 7 continents. I have hope in that. So let me go to screen share, and then I'll be able to show you what I'm seeing here on my computer. So the world's first in the world in results and testimonies and in changing lives. So the new iTeraCare Classic Plus model, terahertz frequency device. Get your iTeraCare today. Okay, so let me go on to the next. That's a different slide for the foot charge. Oh, that's our inventory from the previous classic model. Well, let me go back off of screen share and come back over here. Stop sharing. Okay, now let me pull up the other photo that I need. And then that way I can show you what I'm looking at here. Share screen, the window, and let's go ahead and share, and let's go here. There. So this is a similar design to that purple Premium Plus model. And so it's redesigned the chamber where your quartz crystal tube is located right there. And so they've done some advances on the engineering on your brushless motor now. And so your settings are updated as well. So let me go off of stop sharing there, come back over here. And so what I want to make note of is that I was doing some investigating every week. I was going into, because I knew this was coming, and I went into the Asia stockist over at the Malaysia headquarters, and sure enough, I went and registered a pin, and there it is. There's 97 units available at the Malaysia headquarters. So it'll be released out to the different parts of the world later in this summer. I don't know an exact date in the United States of America yet. So I've got team members on all the continents. So I will keep working on and keep searching for you, for Europe, for Africa, for let's see, we're in South America. Brazil's opened up. And so let's see, New Zealand, Australia, and of course Europe. And then I got team members in Israel. So we will keep you posted. Now what I want to do is give you a quick, I've got right here boxed up, ready to go, a blue brand new negative ion shield. These are so important, especially your winter seasons. It helps create millions of negative ions. It's like an electronic mask. I've got quite a few of these 7 Wonders water bottles, and I've got one of the replacement cartridges you need to change if you're doing 2 liters a day every 90 days. So 4 times in the year, you'll need to replace that. But this gives you hydrogen and antioxidant water. It's portable. when we go down to South America for visiting my wife's family, we always have the Seven Wonders water. So I've got a couple of these classic 2.2 blowers available, and I can give you, because I put those in my inventory in 2024, I can give you a reduced price, but you do have to call me. And I don't bite, so please just call me on the phone. My Telegram handle is simply Daniel Parsons, so it's real easy to find me. And I've got one premium, the blue model. It's right there in my closet, but I'm not going to make the video longer by going over there and get it. So a brand new premium model, and I can give you that at the price that I got it for back in 2023. And I've got two of these iTeraBio Light foot massagers. These are wonderful for sending heat and terahertz pulses, electrical terahertz pulses up into your feet every morning. And I have been using the full scale bio for about 3.5 years now. And I tell you, I have gotten to the point where I have to actually turn it down now. So the sensitivity in my feet has increased. And so I got into this wellness field and I've learned so much. And about when you get older, people tend to start getting cold feet. And so this is wonderful that we can actually do this. And I also have one of these, the EMF shields in a bracelet, and it's a brass or a gold colored bracelet, just like the one I have on my wrist here. So I've got one of those in its box ready to ship out to you. So there you go. One more time, my phone number, Pacific Time Zone weekdays, 360-383-0265. Pacific Time weekdays. And your BioLite and your Premium Plus model and the Full Scale Pro Plus, those are available. All of the higher end price devices have 2-year warranties. And so I cannot say what the Classic Plus is going to have. So I will update another video down the road when I find out that information. So there's full disclosure for you. And I do help you with everything you need to do about your Price account. And so I also have iTeraCare healthblower.com. If you want to just go there and order, if you're somebody that's extremely busy and you're in a different time zone and you can't call me, okay, I get it. So look forward to working with you and helping you with the Price International products. This is Daniel, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.